Overlooking the vast coastline with unparalleled panoramic views lies the Mediterranean residence, 835 La Jolla Corona Court. Designed by master architect Dale Nagel, this home is perfectly positioned to optimize the city, Mission Bay, and the Pacific Ocean views. Elevated above the street, this two-story, three-bedroom home offers 4,000 square feet of private living space with ocean views from nearly every room. From the Sotheby tile throughout to the abundant natural light, this unique La Jolla home provides the ultimate opportunity to lavish in the California lifestyle. As you enter the home, you will be welcomed by the spa-inspired meditation room featuring a jacuzzi and lush greenery. Relax in the spacious family room, complete with a wet bar and one of 3 custom fireplaces throughout the home. Smell the fresh scent of the sea as you open the doors to your 2 viewing decks where you can overlook your grand outdoor patio. Ideal for an entertainer, the versatile floor plan features an open kitchen with its crafted cabinetry, hand-painted ceramic tile, 2 sub-zeros, large center island, and breakfast bar with seating that offers casual sophistication for any gathering. Serve your guests in the adjoining dining room with gorgeous pine woodwork cathedral ceiling and dual-sided fireplace. Located on the entry level, the home features a grand master retreat complete with a walk-in closet, soaking tub, and separate office. Enjoy indoor-outdoor living with the sliding doors opening up to the ocean views from the 2 ensuite bedrooms and spacious family room offered downstairs. On a cul-de-sac with a private community tennis court right down the road, this exceptional property offers a rare combination of views, square footage, and privacy in one of California's most sought-after neighborhoods. What I love about this Bird Rock location is that you're close to everything San Diego and La Jolla has to offer. Take a stroll at the beach, walk through the village, and experience upscale boutiques and shopping, and really what makes the city so great. With breathtaking views and 2 levels of exquisite indoor-outdoor living spaces, this home is one of La Jolla's finest.